Yeah, okay, so guys, welcome back. What I've really gone to do is that, on the landing page that we were creating, I've gone to the clickbank, the link itself of the product, then I did what? I copied the headline of the sales page because those headlines they have been created to convert. Okay, that is why I went to copy it and I put it on my landing page. Okay, so sign up for news and other offers. No, I don't really like things that looks like sign up for news and other offers. I can say I can say an Asian Japanese tonic male 54 lbs of fat. Drink daily before 10 a.m. No, 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 I don't like that. But let's go and see something they have to say. I didn't see nothing much, but so you see, drink daily before 10 a.m. I want to say something that looks like let me not say drink daily before 10 a.m. Let me say let me say watch video now. Because on that landing page, ATCH, watch video now. On that landing page, there's a video explaining something, how it works. So now I want these people who's going to read this to watch the video, how it works. Okay, when they read the headlines, okay, I think they'll be interested. Then they have to watch the video of how it works. Then how are they going to watch the video? They have to give the email here and they have to go into my own list. And from there, my list will now start to promote to them any offer I got. Okay. The reason for that is because we don't want to lose people and we don't want to waste our money doing direct linking, okay, or direct promotion. Now, let's save this. Let's save it. Then the other thing I like to go to is let's say they click our button. We click on settings. Let's say we don't do things like privacy, confirmation checkbox, hidden segmentation, marketing permission, interest group, custom success page. Send subscribers to this URL instead of standard success message. Yes, custom success message. Now we want to, when they give us their email, now we're gonna now send them to the URL of the clickbank product itself, which is Okinawa, but the one I've gone to track with the Bitly. Okay, Bitly. I will copy it. Okay, the one I've gone to track with the Bitly, I copy it. Now, custom success message. I will now paste that Bitly link. I will paste it in the redirect URL. It's gonna take them there. Then let me push it, enter like I save it. Okay, and then I'm gonna go to next. Then we're gonna test it. Okay, we're gonna test it. I will show you guys what it does. Okay, because what we wanted to do is that when we are promoting this landing page, this is our landing page. Let's say we want to preview it. Okay, we want to preview it, and this is it. Then they got interest after reading the topic. Okay, then they now put their email inside it, like, okay, they subscribe, that they like to receive, they want to watch the video. Now let me hit on the subscribe and you will see me. It will take me to the video direct. Okay, I've subscribed. Okay, this is not really okay. If it doesn't work, we will still go back and edit it. And let's say I subscribe now. Okay, it didn't